Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. This up real quick?
Yeah.
There we go. Wow. That's a big amp.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's the BC17K.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised you haven't like tore apart your trunk and everything.
I did.
You did, man.
I just got it welded the day before yesterday.
Really? Wow.
Yeah,
okay,
the
ready for the show.
windshield's replaced, all that.
Okay. Wow. All right, I'm coming in. So can I get your name and what all's in here real quick?
Gerjuan Nelson. Running 2DD audio 9918 ESP superchargers with 90 amp hour EH5s, Crescendo 17K at half ohm, and 3/8 in the doors, 2 tweeters in each door, all Tempino.
Nice. Wow. What made you build the box style like this where it faces into the trunk?
Just wanted something different. You know, everybody got no walls, you know, walls in the cars, sedans, trucks. Yeah. Just wanted to do something different.
Okay. So you have your cabin open kind of in the trunk so you get all the pressure?
Yeah, we get more airflow on that one. We just recently done that like last year. Okay. So it breathes a little bit, a whole lot better.
Yeah. A lot of roof work too?
Yeah.
And do you know your cubic space at all or tuning?
No, I retuned it yesterday. Originally I was at 35, but now I should be like at 30.
30? Lower. Okay. Wow. Any SPL tests?
No.
No? Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I love it.
Love it. All right.
She a monster now.
All right.
I see you again.
Yes. Wow. Woo. That's your fan?
Yeah.
All right. Keep it cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Oh, she ain't even hot.
No? Oh, okay. Is there anything under the hood I can look at?
Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you. Thank you for watching. Nice to meet you, man.
I broke the latch, so.
Oh, you got to kind of.
Turned on to the amp lab. The amp lab?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they do good work. Yeah. It's all right. Huh.
It ain't coming up.
Don't worry about it.
But yeah, it's an Autotech 320.
Okay.
With a motion control module.
Okay.
So I'm charging at 15.8.
Okay. Oh, you get all the power.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Avila. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of his system. Did a really good job at the Sundown Audio Show. Give him a like and comment what you think about his system. Impressive motor force from these subwoofers. They are supercharged, but he has 17,000 watts RMS between the two, and I'm sure he's putting all the power to him and then some from rated. I like the box layout, how he has his port facing into the trunk. Kind of has a science to it to make it work optimally still. And you can see he did a lot of kill mat, dynamat all around the vehicle to pretty much help stop the flex as much as possible. Subs up, port back into the trunk is very unique, rare, one-of-a-kind style box. Don't really see a lot of them. Amplifier and battery bank right in the front behind the seats. I thought that was cool and unique as well. These subs cost right over $1,300 each at the time of this video, called the Beast 9900 series from Digital Designs. Really like the subwoofer cone shape of them as well. You're going to see during the demo we're getting to. Pretty crazy amount of flex. They're rated at 2,500 watt RMS, but of course probably 3,000 plus with the supercharge on them. So welcome to my channel, Jake Avile. I do daily car audio videos every single day. I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. Hit the like button, subscribe, and enjoy.
First demo since the upgrade.
Okay. All right. I'd love to hear it. Nice.
I'm trying to find. All right.
You're good.
It's about 10 niggas to get in. We crunk lit in the bitch.
Yeah.
I get 30.
No, we walk around the world. Stepping out, giving it down by where our feet landed. Yeah. Get your ass mushed. Smushed. Yeah. 21. Biggest. Put a nigga in the chicken wing. Pussy. 21. This shit costs a lot, never seen.
Then them hoes. Watch. This shit costs a lot, never seen. Then them hoes I'm a savage. Smacker, booty, and magic. I slap a pussy nigga with the ratchet.
Man, you're pushing some power on them subs. Wow. And they're handling it, but they get hot real quick.
Yeah.
You can smell them.
That's one thing I don't like. They get hot.
They get hot.
And smelly real fast.
Yeah. You're probably putting 7,000 watts of sub, maybe. I don't know if you've clamped it yet, but that's insane. Yeah. Man, you made them smell on me there. I appreciate the demo, man. Nice work.
Nice seeing you again.
Yes, wow. Woo. That's your fan?
Yeah.
All right, keep it cool. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, she ain't even. Oh, she ain't even hot.
No? Oh, okay. You have a good day.
All right, thanks, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.